Hi guys, it's Natalie from MyArtCube. You can see I'm in my local park here. It's really beautiful and I'm going to do some nature journaling today. So I hope you join me and let's have some fun. So first things first, let's go ahead and unpack this bag. I see a couple robins. Oh, such a pretty birdie. You can see also the water fountain. They've got that running. This is my local park and I just love it. It's beautiful. It's got a really big pond. And a pavilion. Alright, back to the backpack. I found a couple treasures I wanted to maybe draw. A little pine cone. Another little pine cone. And a third pine cone. Put those over there. Let's see what I got in my travel bag. So this is my nature journaling bag. It's a backpack and it's filled to the brim. So I have these little travel cups by Faber-Castell that pop out. I have 2 of those. Napkins. It's kind of like Mary Poppins backpack. I feel like Mary Poppins. I just keep pulling things out of this. Col-Erase pencils. Pencil case. All my sketching supplies. Let's move it back just a little bit. One of these brush holders. And paintbrushes. Okay. And there's my notebook. Hello there! I'd like to now briefly address supplies and preparations you might want to consider for outdoor nature journaling excursions. Now, hindsight is 20/20, and I wish I had considered taking some snacks, bug spray, and sunscreen with me this day at the park, that you can see me working on this butterfly here. Besides art supplies, if you are planning to go hiking and nature journaling, you might want to consider taking things like a folding chair or portable cushion to sit on in case there are no benches where you are going. I also like to follow the Girl Scout motto, be prepared. With that said, I think if you are going outside to a forested area with hiking trails, it's worth taking extra supplies in addition to your cell phone, such as a first aid kit, a compass, a whistle, extra granola or protein bars, a rain poncho, and plenty of water. Some of the other things to take for getting a better view of your surroundings and subjects include binoculars, a magnifying glass, and maybe a Ziplock bag or container to take a few treasures home, such as leaves, flowers, or seed pods, etc. Please remember also not to leave a significant impact on the areas you visit. Please do not dump paint water into the environment, especially if it contains trace heavy metals like cadmium, cobalt, or titanium dioxide, and other contaminants that are toxic to wildlife. With that, I hope you enjoy nature journaling as much as I do. If you found any of this video entertaining or informative, please consider liking and subscribing to show your support for my efforts over here at MyArtCube. Thank you for visiting, and stay creative, my friends. Bye!